and welcome to the Puzzle Factory. This is week 2 of puzzles in which your logical reasoning and deductive abilities are tested each day and the answer is revealed the next. Let's see today's puzzle. With that said, here is the Sunday puzzle. So the Sunday puzzle is a crossword grid, and you might want to take a picture of it because we're going to switch tabs to see the clues. So this is the crossword grid. It is an 11 by 11, and there is 33 it numbers to 33, but it's actually more than that because of the downs and the crosses. This is a true crossword grid, except it doesn't exactly have the symmetry, but it is intermingled instead of just an easy one. Here are the clues. So I'm not going to go over each one, but do take a picture. Here are the across clues. And while I cover this, make sure to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel and tune back in tomorrow for the answer to this puzzle. I'll just show you a picture or something because I'm not going to explain every single one of this, obviously. And then here are the down ones. So take a picture. There's more than this. So this and then this. And make sure to like and subscribe again. And let's go on to the review for the Saturday puzzle. A, B, and C are all whole numbers, and we're solving for the question mark right down here. So this is algebra, and we have to answer in the form of a whole number. And we have the facts that A, B, and C are all whole numbers. So how are we going to solve this problem? Well, the first thing to know is that we have 3 variables. So we have the variables A, B, and C. Well, we technically have 4 with question mark, but we're solving for A, B, and C with 3 different equations. So that is a possible algebraic technique, but to use it, we're going to need to use substitution. So what does that mean? We're going to have to make one variable equal the others. So if that makes sense, we're going to have all of them be expressed in A's, B's, or C's. Only one of those 3. A's look to be the easiest because B and C will be an easy substitution right here. And there's more than one A. So there's only one B here, and then we can substitute the C's and the B's here. So that looks easy enough. So with that said, we're going to do our solving. First thing we want to do is we want to recognize that B is equal to C, right? And then C plus 7 it should be. That is using the second equation. So if we take C from here to this side, it should be B equals 7 plus C. What we can see from this is that the first one, we can actually substitute, let's delete that. We can actually substitute this B for just a C and then a 7. So already we now have some more steps of the equation. We can get it to A plus C plus 7 equals 27, or A plus C is equal to 20. So there we have that, and we don't need to know this right now. Okay, let's go on then to the next step. We have 2 with A's and C's as the only variables. So we're going to try and express this in terms of A's and C's alone. So 2A plus C equals 20, and 4A divided by C equals 3. Since this is 2 variables, this is easily solvable with either elimination or substitution. Let's do substitution because it looks easier in this case. So 4A divided by C equals 3, that is going to be 3C equals 4A. And now we have 2A plus C equals 20 and 3C equals 4A. We're going to divide both sides of this by 2. And we have 3 half C is equal to 2A. So we can actually just plug this in right here at the top. And now we have 3 half C plus C, which is going to be 5 half C, is equal to 20. So we times this by 2 to get it. 5C is equal to 40. And then we have C is equal to 8. Then we're going to go to B because this one's easy to do. B minus C is equal to 7. So that B is going to be 15 because 15 minus 8 is 7. Okay, what is A? A is going to be something divided by 8 equals 3, but there's 4 of this something, so this is going to be A is 6. And the reason why we know that is because 4 times 6 is 24, divided by 8 is 3. So these are all of our variables, but we're solving for a question mark. So what is that question mark? Well, 8 plus 15 is going to be 23, plus A is 29. So that is our final answer. And that all being said, make sure to stay tuned for the answer to the Sunday puzzle tomorrow, and I'll see you guys then. Until then, goodbye.